Hi, Mom. Not me talking about drugs and right in front of my mom. I just made a 8K subathon command. Would you like me to activate it? Yes, please. I would just call it a party though. Just do 8K party. Just literally put the number 8K party. Because it's not really a subathon. It's kind of like a party with fun things. By the way, have you found a recommendation for a better chair than the stupid Secret Lab chair we both have? Herman Miller is literally like the number one thing that people told me to get. And it's fucking expensive. But I will say that I made top 750 for Respawn. Oh my god, I have the hiccups. And I find out on Friday. Oh my god. I find out on Friday if I made it to top 250. I'm dying, you guys. I'm literally dying. Oh god. I'm dying. I am dying. I'm dying. Somebody help me. Somebody help me. Help me. God dang it. The Ergo chairs seem to highly recommend, but don't think they're as expensive as Herman Miller. Oh my god, I'm dying. Little bitch boy. Oh my god, my brother's here and my mom is here? What? This is such a rare and just such a rare thing. I'm literally dying.